Good day, sir. I'm Liezelrose Canoy. Today, I present to you my topic. Components of phenotypic variation. Phenotypic variation result from the genetic and environmental factors. Genotypes responsible for much of the phenotype expression may be heavily influenced by the environmental factors. For instance, one person may be genetically predisposed to a lower body weight. Their diet will heavily influence this. There are multiple sources of phenotypic variation, and each this reflects as a different underlying causes. The particular source of an instance phenotypic variation determines whether the trait has the ability to respond to natural artificial selection, whether the trait has evolutionary potential, as well as whether the trait can respond to environmental changes. For example of this picture, people came in all shapes and sizes, height, weight, body shape, hair, eye color, and the ability to rule your tongue. Genetic variants, the variance among the phenotypes of different genotypes. Genetic variation can themselves be divided into several subcategories, including additive variants, dominance variants, and epistatic variants. Together, the value for each of these subcategories yield the total amount of genetic variation responsible for a phenotypic trait. Additive genetic variance refers to the deviation from the mean phenotype due to inheritance of a particular allele. Dominance genetic variance involves deviation due to interaction between alternative alleles as a specific locus. For example, say that a plant produces white flower if its genotype is allele 1 and allele 1, and red flower if its genotype is allele 2 and allele 2. If there is no dominance deviation or interaction between these alleles, then the allele 1 and allele 2 genotype would lead to a pink flower due to expressions of both alleles. However, if there is an interaction between the alleles such that their expression is not equal, then the phenotype would not be approximate midpoint. Epistatic variance involves an interaction sa alleles. However, in this case, the alleles are associated with different loci. Number 2, environmental variance. The variance among phenotype expressed by the replicate members of the same genotype. Environmental variation, there are differences between individuals that are not inherited but caused by the environment that the organism lives in, including scars, tattoos.